Looking to upgrade your kitchen prep game? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best titanium cutting boards for your kitchen. Durable, hygienic, and designed to make cooking faster and easier. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Sgkbop titanium cutting board for kitchen. The Sgkbop titanium cutting board is a game changer for every modern kitchen, combining durability, hygiene, and smart design. Certified by SGS for food-grade safety, it ensures a clean, safe surface for preparing meals, whether it's a quick breakfast for kids or a full weekend dinner with family. Designed with a 2-in-1 functionality, this double-sided cutting board adapts to all your cooking needs. One side features a smooth titanium surface that resists scratches, stains, and odors, perfect for daily chopping, slicing, and dicing without the worry of lingering smells. The other side, made from wheat straw, includes a dedicated area for grinding garlic and ginger, making prep faster and more efficient. Built to withstand the demands of busy kitchens, the titanium surface maintains its sleek, smooth finish even after years of heavy use. From holiday feasts and BBQs to weekday meals, it stays resilient, offering a reliable workspace day after day. Cleanup is effortless. Simply rinse or toss it into the dishwasher, eliminating the hassle of scrubbing or dealing with stubborn odors. The board also comes with thoughtful features to enhance cooking convenience. A built-in juice groove captures meat and fruit juices, keeping countertops clean and organized. Its sturdy, long-lasting construction makes it an essential tool for home chefs who value efficiency, hygiene, and durability. With the Sgkbop titanium cutting board, meal prep becomes safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Coming in at number 4, the GC&Yite titanium cutting board for kitchen. The GC&Yite titanium cutting board redefines kitchen prep with innovation and practicality. Crafted from 99% pure titanium, this cutting board is designed to protect your knives. Its softer, lower-density surface develops fine marks over time, preserving your knife's sharp edge while maintaining durability. Paired with a wheat straw PP side, it offers a versatile 2-in-1 solution for handling both meats and fruits or vegetables safely. Hygiene is a key focus. Elevated titanium edges keep the board surface off countertops, reducing contamination risks, while FDA-tested materials ensure food safety and odor resistance. Its non-stick design simplifies cleaning, with residue easily removed by hand wash. Dishwasher use is not recommended to maintain its quality. Weighing only 1.98 pounds, this board is significantly lighter than traditional stainless steel or glass alternatives, making it effortless to lift, rinse, and carry with one hand. Daily meal prep becomes smoother without wrist strain. Thoughtful design extends to multi-zone prep areas. The wheat straw side features a 15-milliliter juice groove and a dedicated garlic/ginger grinding zone, keeping your workspace organized and mess-free. Safety and comfort are built in with a widened ergonomic handle, providing secure grip, stability, and easy storage. Whether hung for drying or carried around the kitchen, the GC&Yite titanium cutting board combines lightweight convenience, hygiene, and versatility, making it a must-have for efficient and clean meal preparation. At number 3, we have the Uywlycl titanium cutting board for kitchen. The Uywlycl titanium cutting board brings innovation and versatility to your kitchen with its 2-in-1 design. One side features a food-grade 99.9% pure titanium reinforced surface ideal for cutting meats and proteins, while the other side, made from wheat straw PP, is perfect for fruits, vegetables, and herbs. This dual-function design allows you to switch between tasks effortlessly without needing multiple boards. Its premium titanium surface is ultra-hard, resisting deep knife grooves and maintaining a smooth texture far longer than traditional wood or plastic boards. This durability prevents food residue from getting trapped and minimizes lingering odors, promoting a cleaner, safer cooking environment. Efficiency is built into every aspect of this cutting board. It includes a knife sharpening slot, an inch measuring scale, a dedicated garlic and ginger grinding zone, and a deep juice groove capable of holding up to 200 milliliters. These features streamline food prep, keeping everything you need within easy reach. Cleaning and storage are simple. The non-toxic, smooth surfaces wipe clean in seconds and can be rinsed or hand-washed effortlessly. A rotating handle allows the board to stand upright for faster drying and reduces counter clutter, while a built-in hanging hole makes wall storage convenient. With the Uywlycl titanium cutting board, meal preparation becomes faster, cleaner, and more organized, making it an essential tool for any modern kitchen. Next up at number 2 is the Callsky titanium cutting board for kitchen. The Callsky titanium cutting board is a versatile, dual-sided kitchen tool designed to elevate your food preparation experience. One side features 99.9% pure food-grade titanium, ideal for slicing both raw and cooked meats with precision. The reverse side is crafted from BPA-free wheat straw PP, perfect for chopping fruits, vegetables, and other everyday ingredients. A newly upgraded deep juice groove ensures that excess liquids are collected efficiently, keeping your countertops clean while you work. Built for durability and daily use, the titanium surface boasts a smooth mesh texture that resists odors and prevents buildup, making it simple to maintain. Both sides are stain-resistant and dishwasher-safe, allowing effortless cleaning after meal prep. The board also includes an integrated handle for easy carrying, hanging, or storage, helping maintain an organized kitchen. For stable and efficient food prep, the Callsky cutting board comes with anti-slip silicone edges that keep it securely in place. The wheat straw side features a built-in grinding area, ideal for mincing garlic, ginger, and other small ingredients, streamlining your cooking process. While light knife marks may appear on the titanium surface over time, this is a normal part of regular use. Unlike traditional wood or plastic boards, it does not absorb odors, stain, or crack, ensuring long-lasting performance. Combining modern materials with practical design, the Callsky titanium cutting board is an indispensable tool for any kitchen enthusiast. Finally, at number 1, we have the Sumzzz titanium cutting board for kitchen. The Sumzzz titanium cutting board is a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen essential designed to make meal preparation faster, cleaner, and more efficient. One side of the board is crafted from food-grade 99.9% pure titanium, perfect for cutting both raw and cooked meat, while the other side is made from durable PP material, ideal for slicing vegetables and fruits. This thoughtful dual-surface design allows you to handle different types of food without cross-contamination. Engineered to overcome the limitations of traditional cutting boards, the titanium surface eliminates common problems such as cutting gaps, lingering food residues, and absorbed odors. It ensures a hygienic and smooth cutting experience every time. The board also features a deep juice groove that can hold up to 200 milliliters of liquid, preventing spills and keeping your countertop clean. Additionally, a built-in milling zone for garlic and ginger helps save time, streamlining your cooking process. Both surfaces are easy to clean thanks to their non-sticky materials. A quick rinse with water is enough to maintain hygiene. After use, the cutting board can be hung to dry using the convenient portable round hole, making storage effortless. Presented in exquisite gift packaging, the Sumzzz titanium cutting board is not only practical, but also makes an ideal gift for special occasions such as birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, or Christmas. With this innovative kitchen tool, you can enhance your cooking experience while ensuring your family's health and safety. And that's our list of the top titanium cutting board. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite model. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful and time-saving product finds.